Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft errors. Servers are down and it's easy to fix this problem. All you need to do first, just type here background apps. Now just make sure to disable the first option here and then close this window, and after that open File Explorer and then click this PC. Go to local disk, Windows, scroll down to System 32 and then type here etc and click enter. Now just open it and cut this folder here, host, and create a new folder on your desktop and name it backup, and then click on it, right click on it and click paste. After that, all you need to do just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, make sure to close all the applications that you don't need here, and that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.